Hi, we're gonna go over how to mount your Trio in this video. First, attach 4 metal adhesive plates onto the magnets. Then, peel off the white sticker. Now we're gonna attach it to your laptop. So lift up your laptop. Make sure that you line up the hinge side of the laptop with the Trio or Trio Max. And then press down firmly. Now during use, make sure the base of the Trio is seated against the tabletop. You should be able to slide it since it's on magnets. To connect the laptop, plug in the right angle head first. If you're using the USB-A connection, make sure you use the adapter and plug it in. If you're using USB-C, detach the adapter and plug it straight into your laptop. To attach it together, make sure the chamfer side of the clip is facing away from the magnets. Stack the 2 Trios on top of each other. Slide the clip into the slot on the Trios. And you should hear it click. Once again, make sure the chamfer side is facing away from the magnets. Now do the same to the other side. To disassemble the clip, lift up the side of the clip so it releases from the slot. It should slide off easily. Once again, do the same thing to the other side.